Hey people, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I'm still working on my backyard project here, and I'm tearing down an old wooden keyhole raised bed. Check out my previous video, but check this out. Alright, so here's the backyard area, and you'll see the outline of where my keyhole raised bed was, and this is all made out of wood. I had a bee yard right over there. Right now my bees are out on pollination, but this is my bee yard area where I normally keep my honeybees. And look at all these ants. And I mean, there's just a huge, multiple ant colonies. There's multiple ant colonies all up underneath this wood. So it's a little counterproductive if you're still new to beekeeping. Having bull ants or Argentinian Florida carpenter ants near bee yard area is counterproductive. It can really cause a lot of havoc. So my recommendation, if you're raising honeybees, have your bee yard far away from your garden if your garden beds are made out of wood. Maybe you can get away with cedar, something that the ants won't tolerate, but yeah. So just a quick tip there, but I got a lot of work to do. All this area in here, and cleaning all this section out here, and I'm going around the long way to get to the other side of my house to dump things because I don't want to walk across my bahia. That bahia is greening up nicely. Real quick stop here for a snack. Look at all the mulberries. This is a Florida red native mulberry, ever-bearing. Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna pick a bunch of these black colored berries that are ripe. Oh man, they're so sweet. Oh my God, you guys. This is like literally sugar. It's like jelly on a vine. Florida red, native mulberry.